Hello everyone, hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm so excited. I have a React challenge that will help you test your React skills or improve them. So in this challenge, you're going to build a word guessing game using React.js. So our game is going to have to involve the following functionalities. Generate a random word, set a time limit, accept user input. So the game needs to be able to check the user's guesses and provide feedback. If the guess is correct, the player wins the game, and if the guess is incorrect, the player loses life. So the game should also keep track of the number of lives the player is remaining with. I know you think that this is hard, but don't worry, I'm here to help you in every step. So first you're going to do it alone, then after you will be able to also see my solution.